So Grok AI just moved from free to about 48,000 naira per month, and honestly that shocked a whole lot of people. So because just a few weeks ago, people were still able to use it for free. But in this video, I'll show you how to still access Grok for as low as 3,000 naira. I was actually late to Grok. I didn't really use it as much before it became paid. But after seeing what it could do, the images, videos and everything, I knew it was something that was worth using. But 48,000 naira per month, that's not something everyone can afford. Especially if you are just trying to learn or trying to test things. But if you can afford it, please go ahead and pay. It is good, it's worth it. So instead of paying that full amount for those that cannot afford it, let me show you a smarter way to start using it. So before we dive in, my name is Abasiofon Emmanuel. I'm a brand strategist for business owners. I help businesses build brands people remember and buy from. Without wasting much time, let's dive in. So to access Grok for free now, you have to use what I call the free trial. This is where you click on Try Super Grok. So we're going to click on it. I'm going to have something here like this. Okay. So it's going to take us to where we are going to subscribe for free. It's a 3 days free trial. Look at it. Look at the paid one. 48,500 per month. So you're going to have access to it for free for 3 days. Get it? So you can renew at 48,500 per month. Cancel anytime. So you can cancel before the 3 day free trial expires. So now I'm going to click on Start 3 days free trial. Okay, so this is what you do here. When you come to this place, you bring to this place, it's starting today, 3 day free trial. So list the amount. You can cancel at any time in subscription on Google Play. You won't be charged if you cancel before so day. So no matter the date you actually start this free trial, you won't be charged before the expiring date. Okay, we will send you a reminder 2 days before your trial ends. This is it. This is how it works. This is how free trial works. Okay, so you're going to select a card. Make sure you just have little amount of money in the card. It could just be 100, at least let's say 100 and above. You can just have something in the account. Okay, so then you're going to click on subscribe. Now this place I will have clicked on it, but I don't want to expose so many things on this tutorial. So either you're using Verve, MasterCard, just try the card that you have little amount of money in, and make sure that it's not an expired card, it's an active card. Okay, then you click on subscribe. So wait for it to process. They see, look at it, subscribed, and this is it. We are already using, look at it. You've unlocked unlimited intelligence, maximum creativity, real-time information, and start enjoying Super Grok. Okay, so we are in Grok already, Super Grok already. So what you do, just to confirm that you're using Super Grok already, just click on this place, click on it and scroll down. You see this place that says Super Grok. Before it was free, or just ordinary. Now we're having Super Grok. It shows that we are really using Super Grok. Okay, so this is how you enjoy it. So now I want you to know that this gives you access for a few days, just few days, not forever, just 3 days like we saw there. So if you just want to test something, you want to learn, you want to just see how Grok works, this one is perfect for you. Okay, so let us go to the next method. So this is the next method, and the next method we're using Twitter, which is now known as X. Okay, so this is it, X. You can go to your browser, or your Play Store, to your Play Store or App Store, and download X. It's just type of X or you type Twitter. Okay, then you just download it to your phone or use the browser, anyone, but I prefer using the app. So this is, you can look down here, you see Grok. So there's a connection between Twitter and Grok, so you can use Grok inside Twitter. So now let's dive into what we came here for, how to have access to Grok at a cheaper rate. So when you open your Twitter application like this, you come to this place where you have your profile picture, you click on it, then you scroll down to this place where you have premium. Just click on premium. So when you click on premium, you have access to all the plans here. Look at it. We have basic, enhanced experience. So I'm going to go to where we have Grok. This place where you are seeing Grok AI. You're going to see usage limits. Look at it. It's locked. We have Super Grok and we have early access to all these things. They are all locked. Now, this particular basic is starting at 3,015 naira, sorry. Then it's just the normal Grok that we have been used to. The normal Grok we have been used to. So it is still having those daily limits, but you can still access Grok here for free and at a cheaper rate, 3,515 naira only. Okay, So if you move to the next plan, you have premium. Premium here, if you go scroll down to where the Grok AI is, you see usage limit is higher. You have more higher chance of using Grok. It won't be limited just like the first one. Get it? Now you have the super Grok. You still not have access to super Grok even at this rate, starting at 7,600 naira. So these are things, just look at it here, but it's still cheaper than 48,500. Now the last one is where we have Premium Plus. Get it? Now we have Grok AI, we have users limit, this highest, no limit at all. So we have a super Grok. Everything here is ticked, but it's at 38,900 naira. But guess what? It is still cheaper than the 48,000 naira. That's it's still like a 10,000 naira difference. Okay, so just make your choice here. If you can go with this 3,015 naira, fine, it's still good. So all you have to do is click on stats at 3,000. Just click on this place and take it to a particular place where you can insert your payment details and all of that to get access to it. Okay, so now I'm not going to do this because I'm already using the free trial. I'm already access to the free trial, and when I'm done with that one, it's just in the free trial on the Grok, I will come here to access this one in cheaper rate. This is better. I won't be limited. I won't be head down with maybe trying to look for an alternative. I can still work with this one. Still good. It's still great to work with. Okay, so this is how you can access Grok at a cheaper rate. Any of this one, whether it's the premium or you want to use the basic, any of them is okay, right? So this is how you can access it at a cheaper rate compared to the 48,500 naira payment. Anyone that works for you, if you can access super Grok at 48,000 naira, if you want to use this one, good. If you want to use any of them, it's still nice. So also in my next video, I'll show you how to use another platform where you can access AI tools completely free. There is no subscription, just daily limits. Okay, so if you found this video helpful, subscribe to this channel because I'll be sharing more AI content and branding tutorials here. So see you in my next video.